Today, I want to tell you a story. This story is real. It is about something that changed my life. My name is Daniel. I am 75 years old. When I look back at my life, I don't just remember what I did. I remember what I didn't do. When I was young, I believed I had endless time. I told myself there was no need to rush. I woke up late almost every day, skipped opportunities, and spent hours doing things that didn't really matter. I laughed, I relaxed, and I enjoyed the moment, but I never thought about my future. People around me were growing. My friends were studying, learning new skills, starting business, and chasing their dreams. They failed. They tried again, and slowly they improved. I watched them, but I never joined them. I kept saying, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll be more disciplined. Tomorrow, I'll learn something new. Tomorrow, I'll change my life. But tomorrow is a dangerous word. It feels safe, but it steals your time. Days turned into months, months turned into years, and before I realized it, decades had passed. One day, I woke up and everything felt different. My energy wasn't the same. My body felt heavier. My chance felt smaller. I looked at my life and saw many empty spaces, dreams I never chased, skills I never learned, and opportunities I let slip away. That was the moment I understood something painful. I didn't fail, but I tried and lost. I failed because I never tried at all. Now, at 75, I finally understand the value of time. Time is more precious than money, more valuable than comfort, and more important than fear. You can lose money and earn it back. You can fail and try again. But time, once it is gone forever. If you are young, please listen carefully. Don't wait for the right time. It doesn't exist. Don't wait until you feel ready. You never will. Don't waste your days doing things that don't move your life forward. Start small if you have to. Read one page, learn one skill, take one step. It may not feel like much today, but one day those small steps will become something big. Because the truth is simple. The life you want is built by what you do every day. And one day you will wake up just like me, looking back at your life. The only question is, will you feel proud or will you feel regret? The choice is yours. But don't wait too long. The moral message of this story is time is limited. Use it wisely before it's too late. Thank you.